Hey guys, it's Scott, Safe Dryer Vent Solutions, locally owned, veteran operated, certified dryer exhaust technician. 317-430-3993 is how you get a hold of us to schedule your appointment. This video I'm doing today is for Anita Whittam. She has been a loyal follower of this company for a long time, and she called me out the other day in a message saying, hey, are you still doing live videos? Haven't seen any in a while. So I was like, man, she busted me. She caught me red-handed not doing any videos. So I thought I'd go ahead and share one today. This one is 100% vent cover failure, and it's very obvious that it's a vent cover failure. So I'm going to try to see. It's really bright out today. I'm turning this camera around, and as you can tell, there's your vent cover failure. Notice all the hair that's built up. Notice the grid in right here. If you're mowing your grass and you see this, this is a sign that you need to call Safe Dryer Vent, and you need to do it immediately. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull this off right here, and the dryer is going to instantly start to breathe. Notice it's starting to breathe. Stuff is starting to come out. I'm going to flip it back around. Notice all the hair. See how that's full? That is 100% vent cover failure every day of the week. And then now that backs up your dryer. So we're going to get this cleaned out. She did have another company do this, but they did not replace the vent cover. And a lot of companies won't replace the vent cover because they want you to come back. They want you to call next year and again. And I want you to call because it is actually recommended that you get this inspected and cleaned every 2 years. But I don't want your house to be at risk. So my job is to get you safe first, and then take care of you. So we're gonna set you up right here. I can't really see. Oh, there's my hand. So here we go, guys. Again, this is Scott with Safe Dryer Vent Solutions, locally owned, veteran operated, never be charged a service fee. So let's rock this out for Anita today. (317-430-3993). Again, locally owned, veteran operated. We're also running right now about 475 5-star reviews through Facebook, Home Advisor, and Google. Again, we are getting some out, some build out, but notice not a whole bunch. And they probably could have been fine, but we have that whole vent cover failure issue going on. Now we're at the back of the dryer. Nice little 16-foot run. So a simple run. Now we're cleaned out. Let's get you showing inside here. Nice, good, clean dryer vent. So this is Scott with Safe Dryer Vent Solutions, locally owned, veteran operated, certified dryer exhaust technician. 317-430-3993. Do you know what's inside your vent? Call me. I'll show you.